Hey guys, welcome back to Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make these beautiful mini cheesecakes. Ingredients required to make 24 mini cheesecakes: 600 grams of cream cheese, 3 eggs, 200 ml of sour cream, half a cup of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose plain flour, 75 grams of butter, and my favourite, vanilla, and 10 oatmeal biscuits or any cookies you desire, cupcake tray lined with cases, selection of mixed fruits, I'm going to crush some biscuits in a food bag until they're nice and crumbly, and then pour them into a bowl, and then add some butter. Pop a tablespoon of the biscuit mixture into the cupcake molds. 1 tablespoon, we can add more or less, depends on how much you want your base to be, thick or thin. Smooth it out of the base of the spoon. Add the cream cheese into a bowl. I let mine sit outside at room temperature for half an hour. Add the caster sugar. Mix it into a pale, creamy texture. Add the eggs, flour, and vanilla. Add the sour cream. Blend all the ingredients together, combining all the eggs and cream together. Don't overblend, as you don't want your cheesecake to be too dense. Add a tablespoon amount of the creamy cheesecake filling into each cupcake molds. Pop the cheesecakes into the oven, bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. It's been 25 minutes now, and I'm going to leave them to cool in the oven for 30 minutes until I get them out. Once cooled, pop them out ready for decorating. Choose any topping you like. I'm going to decorate my cupcakes with my favourite, strawberry Kool-Aid. You need strawberries, caster sugar, and 200 ml of water and 3 drops of peppermint. Add all the ingredients into a pan. When it starts to boil, the strawberries will dissolve and the sugar and strawberries will combine together to form a beautiful strawberry sauce. Once the strawberry cheesecake has cooled down, we're going to add 1 tablespoon on top of each mini cheesecake. We really hope you've enjoyed watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen on how to make mini cheesecakes. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, and don't forget to hit that huge subscribe button. Thanks for following us. Stay tuned in for the next episode.